Let's look at how to replace the gear motor of your Slush machine. This guide works for both our regular and compact machines. Before we start, this process should be carried out by qualified personnel only. For this procedure, you will need a medium cross-head screwdriver, a medium flat-head screwdriver, and a pair of side-cutting pliers. Make sure the tank is drained, powered off, and unplugged from the socket, and that you can easily access the back and sides of the machine. Using a screwdriver, remove the side panels and then remove the black plastic cover of the gear you need to replace. If you have a regular machine, when lifting off the rear panel, notice the two green and yellow earth wires connected to the cover itself. Simply pull these to disconnect and tuck them to one side for now. Following the wiring from the bottom of the relevant gear motor, locate the white plastic connector. The wiring might be secured in place by a cable tie. If this is the case, carefully cut the cable tie. Pull the plastic connector apart to unplug the gear motor. Now you can remove the spring, followed by the gear motor itself. Be careful not to pull out the metal transmission shaft. Take your new gear motor and line up the short shaft with the metal transmission shaft. Push the motor into place. Make sure that the switch to the right of the motor is still functioning and is not trapped. You can test this by gently pushing the motor to the left until you hear the switch click. Refit the spring and connect the white plastic connectors together. If you have a regular machine, reconnect the yellow and green earth connectors before screwing down the rear panel. Refit the side panels and the black motor covers. Here's a list of common causes of gear motor failures. Incorrectly diluted slush puts excess strain on the motor. Accurate dilution is essential. Watch out for large chunks of ice in the tank, especially in the morning, and remove these to avoid gear damage. Finally, make sure that your mixture is regularly topped up. Too low a level of mixer can cause stress to the motors. Thanks for watching. For more of our how-to guides, visit snowshock.com/support.